Yo, what up, people? It's your boy Jinnxx in the building, and you know how we do. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do the Tshwala Bam dance or the Tshwala Bam dance challenge. I see most of you are eating up the video I made before in the past. That was like a year ago. That has a whooping 1 point something million views. I think 1.2 or 1.5 thereabout, and that is thanks to you guys. So I decided to recreate this from different directions. I'm gonna do it from behind. I'm also gonna do it facing you guys, just about different directions, so you see the details that I missed out in the previous one. So let's dive right into it. But before we go right into it, I need you guys to take note of our directions, because this is our right arm and this is our left side. So I'm going to put it up on the screen to help guide your movement and your directions, okay? So first off, like I said, the Tshwala Bam is all about groove. So you have to let loose of your body before you execute this. So a little stretch can help of your whole body and you try to execute. But first off, we're going to step forward. We're going to act like we're walking forward. So it's basically step, 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 step. So I'm just basically walking forward. You can choose to do it on the spot. It's really up to you. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to do it moving forward. So when you do this, your shoulder does most of the work. So it's basically, whenever you step, there's this tiny jiggle on your upper body. So when you step, almost like bam, 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 but this is stiff. It's not going to be as stiff as this. So you're not loose, but this is just to help you build up the technique to execute the actual movement, all right? So whenever you step, you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. So we're building up down to the actual movement. So let's do that again. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. So when you do that, you don't want to make it stiff. This is too conscious. You don't want to be too conscious of your movement. You basically want to bam. Did you see that? You step, and there's this tiny jiggle up on your upper body. It's not forced, but it's just controlled movement. So bam, 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 bam. Yeah. That's about it. Then when you do, there are 2 variations, and we're going to execute both of them at the same time. When you are doing the Tshwala Bam, the first 4 were standing upright. The next, you want to do the exact same movement, but this time we're going to bend our knees like this. All right? So the same movement. So we're going to try to execute the second one. The same technique as before will build up into the actual move. So bam, 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 bam. Good, good. But now, whenever you step, just let that step jiggle your upper body instead of having this stiff movement. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So we're going to try to combine both the first one, which is us standing fully, down to the second one, which is us having a bent knee. We're going to do 4 of each to make up the whole combination. So 5, 6, and 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now the final icing on the cake, is our directions, the movement of our head. When you're doing the first one, your eyes basically go 90 degrees of your body. So you're basically looking to this side while you're standing. It gives you this finesse and makes it look really good. Then when you go down, your eyes goes to the upper directions. So directions matters in this movement. You have to really pay attention to that because it's what gives us that final spice in the routine, in the dance move, okay? So let's try to put it together right from standing 4 times, no, 4 times, but this time our head works. Whenever we switch the directions, whenever we switch our from standing to bending, our head moves. Okay, so let's try to do that together. 4 times of each. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, and we switch, and 2, and we stand, and up, and down, and down. Good, good. Like I promised at the start of this video, I'm gonna do it behind, like from behind, so you see the actual move, but the same technique applies. So don't get confused. This is gonna be our right this time, and here our left. This is my right leg, this is my left leg. So put up the whole technique together and see how it looks. From behind, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll take it down, or take it low. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So once you've gotten the hang of that, we'll add the shoulders and see how it looks. We'll go 1, jiggle, 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 jiggle. Good. We'll do, okay, we're going to do standing 4 times with the shoulder jiggle, but just the technique, not the actual movement. So we'll go bam, jiggle, bam, jiggle, bam, jiggle, bam, jiggle. Now take it down, bam, jiggle, bam, jiggle, bam, jiggle, bam, jiggle. Good. So we'll try to execute the actual movement now. So the idea is whenever you step, you have a tiny jiggle at the upper body. So that is the group that goes with every step we make. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So if you've gotten to this point of the tutorial, you're doing such an amazing job. And if you're looking at improving your dance skills or executing moves like this that you are not so comfortable with, we have our Virtual Dance Academy, our online classes, linked to this video. You can check it out in the description section or the comment section. I'm going to pin that in the comment section. So check it out and choose a program that works for you. And I'll see you in the next one. Jinnxx signing out.